Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will solve another C problem, no? So before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. I would like to thank so much, no, to my subscribers, students and faculty members of University of Antique, especially to Ma'am Dina. Ma'am, thank you so much, no, for supporting my channel, for the subscribers that you help me, no, in my channel. Madamo gid ma'am nga salamat ma'am, no, thank you so much, no. So here we have here, right, a C program that is that will that will compute, no, compute the average grade of the following, no, using if else statement. If the average grade is 100 means excellent, the remark. 95 to 99 very satisfactory, 90 to 94 satisfactory, 85 to 89 outstanding, 80 to 84 good, 75 to 79 pass, 74 and below fail. So we have here the code, no, you may download the code. Basically guys, no, for your information, I'm using code blocks, no, in Windows 11. So sharply include std or int main, it is the starting point of every C program, and then I declare three variables: integer, grade, sum, and count. So we have here the title, average grades checker in C with remarks. Enter grades. When the user will issue -1, it will terminate using indefinite loop, no, while 1, it will accept the grade. Looping statement, if grade -1, break, and then it will sum up the grades here, the count, it will count, and then if there is no grade, it will display using if else statement, double average, double sum, divide how many items, so it will compute for the average, no, average grade percent 0.0 f float. We don't want any decimal places. Here is the logic, no, determine the corresponding grade category. If grade equals 100, excellent. Else if average greater than or equal 95 and average less than 99, printf, very satisfactory. Else if average greater than 90 and average less than 94, satisfactory. Else if average greater than or equal to 85 and average less than or equal to 89, outstanding. Else if average equals 80 and average less than 84, good. Else if average greater than 75 and average less than 79, pass. Else we have here fail. New line, end of program, return 0, return to our operating system, and then we close the body of our program. Now let us run the program so that we can see the result. Let's say we have a failing grade here, 67, 68, 65, -1. So fail because the average grade is 67. Okay, end of program. Another example. Let's say we have 89, 94, 93, 84. We terminate -1, 80, 90, no? So the 90 here, let us check, no? So 90 belongs to satisfactory. Okay, the output is correct. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on average grade checker in C with remarks, programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.